What's up, y'all? This is Jason and Mary Carl over here at Cog Hill. These Svart may be rare, but they sure all crazy. Previously on the Cog vlog, we got some super rare eggs in that incubator. All right, let's get it out.
All right.
Let's let them see it real quick. Now, here's some of the big things that we're having done. We're gonna move this chicken coop. That's a sinkhole. You can see a sinkhole right here. Our creek bank is completely washed out. Got them moved. Now the logging crew or the arborist can do his job.
I wanna do the two-step, then cowboy.
It is early. We gotta do our farm chores this morning, feed everybody. Look out, girls, guys. Whoop, whoop. I hear you. Well, let's feed the goats and everybody. We got this little rooster that I don't know if y'all ever seen Hona, but this little rooster looks just like Hey on that movie.
His feet are bright yellow and his column is bright red.
So
and he's got the same colors.
Well, and guess what we named it?
Hey.
All right, let's feed the chickens. All right, got them fed. Now, let's go to the roly-poly.
Hey, Daddy, where's the baby?
It's right there. Feather collectors. You would think a child that has lived on a farm with chickens and all types of birds, feathers wouldn't be fun or anything like that, but we're still collecting feathers. Oh, the fence is on. I'm glad I caught you. You would have got zapped.
We're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue.
Now, of course, you know, the big chickens, the egg layers, I'm not opening up, letting them come out. But we got Mary Carl's up-and-coming chickens and our new layers and some of her favorite chickens, which are juvenile. They're not full-grown, so they're not over there with the big chickens. We got this fenced off with electric fence. This is where our babies are staying, and we put them up in this roly-poly, is what we call it, at night. But so she does open them up and let hers out. All right, do it, girl. It is funny when the silkies run. Tony! What's up, Tony? JP, you about need another bath, girl. All right, feed them some scratch. Now, remember in our video where we moved this thing the other day, I said we were gonna keep them in here for a few days and let them learn this roost work perfectly. Actually, I thought we should keep them in here, typically from our experience, usually a week. But after a couple of days, boom, they learned that Mary Carl and Mrs. Cog Hill let them out, and they said they'd put them back up if they went back up there to where this was. And they didn't. Everybody went up, so. What all type of chickens you got in here now?
There's two sapphire gems.
Two sapphire gems. Okay, and they're blue. Well, you know, blue in the chicken world. They're not like blue.
A Bantam Silky.
Oh, she's pretty. We hatched that one, right? A Bantam Silky.
They're about, I think there's 4 unbearded silkies
4 unbearded silkies.
One bearded one.
Tony and Sugar, the Saramas,
Yeah.
the world's smallest chickens. And of course the naked necks. Super cool. I tell you, we really love these naked necks. They're very friendly. They are great foragers. And they are really good layers. I mean, what more could you ask for? Besides, I think they look so darn cool.
There's a sizzle.
Oh, we got a sizzle in here?
Yeah, that's a little, and then a little baby something black.
And the whale summers. We got the whale summers. And the whale summers are also cool because they lay the super dark eggs. Not quite as dark as something like a Moran, but a pretty dark egg. Yeah, pretty dark. Now, we've had luck with whale summers laying eggs pretty constantly. They're good layers. We've had Morans in the past, and, you know, they laid, but they just wasn't great layers. So, I don't know, maybe just the Alabama heat, they're just not well adapted for this heat, but the whale summers do good. Maybe that's why they're called whale summer. We got some Bantam Polishes in here. Now that's what JP is. She's a Bantam Polish. Polishes we love too. They are pretty darn docile, super easy to catch because of their hood or their hat or whatever you want to call it. And they're just beautiful. And JP, I'm serious, has to be the sweetest chicken, tamest chicken I have ever seen in my life. Who are you talking to, Tony? This spot's pretty cool where we got them because I put them in here with my big black mission fig tree. And this tree is huge, so it gives them a lot of cover. They love going in there. If just so happened an aerial predator was to come by, they could all run under here. So they really love this fig tree. Plus figs are gonna drop off of it and give them something to eat. We got a fig ready? Oh, we do got figs ready.
There's a big one up there.
Oh, there are big ones. Oh, cool. Boom.
This one has some cracks in it.
It's okay. Yeah, the seabrikes are crazy, and a lot of times they'll roost in this fig tree. Now, not to say all seabrikes are crazy, because we had one in the past that wasn't, but for the most part, they're pretty crazy. Speaking of crazies, let us go show you the Svart Honas and give you an update what's going on them. I'm fixing to get some shavings. We got to clean their brooder out and get them all fixed up today. These things are crazy. You know, I read on the internet that they were friendly chickens, and that might be the case, but right now, not so much. So if you missed the first video when we just hatched these little boogers, the Svart Hona is a very rare chicken, very similar to the IM. Solid black feet, solid black beak. The comb would be solid black, completely black chicken. They look almost identical, except these are a little bit smaller and they're a little bit more cold tolerant. But yeah, that's what a Svart Hona is, aka the black Swedish. But maybe they'll calm down as they get older. I see them hammering.
Building something.
What they building? Sounds like a construction crew.
Maybe they're building a hotel for chicks.
Alright, Mary Carl got some more chicks. Yeah, right, seriously. Alright, Mary Carl. So Mary Carl's been wanting a certain type of chick really bad. So she got it.
It was a partridge silky.
A partridge silky. Now what makes it a partridge?
They're brown when they get big. They're like brown and,
Uh-huh.
and it's dark brown and light brown.
Oh, okay, so kind of a mixed brown color. And we haven't been able to find none really, so we ordered them. And what other colors you got?
That's a buff.
A buff silky? And we got a black one.
It's a, yeah, it's kind of
Oh, it's a blue?
but it's black.
Oh, that one's really gonna be blue. That one's pretty, isn't it? Are they bearded?
They're mixed, bearded and non-bearded.
Oh, okay. No, the bearded ones had the big booth.
Yeah, like that one that like sugar.
Right. And then the other
Or
ones,
safe
the
sugar.
non-bearded, don't have the booth.
They're just, it's just kind of like fuzzy on the body.
Just fuzzy. Cool. Well, awesome. And I know you're happy to have these. How long you been wanting a partridge silky?
long time.
A long time. And this is the main reason why that we're building the new coops too. We're tearing down our old coop, building new coops, because we want to kind of keep the bantams separate from the big chickens. You know, we don't want the bantam silkies or the little bantams in there with the big chickens. They usually just get picked on real bad. And we don't like bullies around here. JP, what do you think about all those figs, buddy? Let's see if JP wants it.
He said that thing like
JP probably can't see it with that hair, dude. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you're interested in any Cog Hill Farm shirts like this Peaches shirt or this Penny shirt, check out this link right down below. Crazy chickens. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And as always, y'all be good.